Keychain Delegation for Jira by OBSS is the most comprehensive delegation solution for Jira. Keychain can provide delegation capabilities without having to change issue assignees. It can delegate permissions in different categories to different users and can work with notification and permission schemes. Keychain can even be used in Jira Service Management customer portal approvals. Let's see how it does that. For Jira issues, the permissions are usually set by using permission schemes or workflow conditions. The ability to delegate these permissions was a missing part of Jira for a long time. Keychain aims to solve this problem by utilizing custom fields and workflow functions. We'll start by showing how custom fields work. Keychain introduces a new custom field type to your system which is capable of showing the delegates of a user. We'll create a custom field. And configure it to display the delegates of the assignee of the issue. We'll get more into the details of this configuration later. As you can see, the new field is added but displays no value since currently there are no delegations defined. Now we go to the delegation screen. Set Alana and Jennifer as the delegates of administrator. And then set Mitch and Vincent as the delegates of Ryan. Here you see that the issue is assigned to the administrator and the new Keychain field is displaying the names of assignees delegates. When we assign the issue to Ryan, the names in the Keychain field automatically change to Ryan's delegates. The thing to note here is, the custom field configuration is made once but the users displayed as delegates change based on the delegation definitions, which any user can do for themselves. Now, let's configure some workflow permissions for these delegates. You can use the user as a delegate of condition, which is also introduced by Keychain, to set workflow permissions based on the delegation configuration. We configure this condition function the same way we configured the custom field. At this point, the assignee, or the delegates of the assignee are authorized to perform this transition. The best part is, the issue is not assigned to anybody else so the original assignee does not lose his or her permissions. As you see, the configuration for the custom field and workflow condition can be made in various ways to return the delegates of many different sources, such as user groups or project roles. Even other user picker fields can be used as the source. This way, permission delegations can be defined in a very flexible manner. It is also possible to use Keychain fields with Jira notification and permission schemes. You can bind any permission or notification to a Keychain custom field, and the delegates displayed in that custom field will have the configured permissions, and will receive the configured notifications. You don't have to delegate all your permissions to the same users. You can use delegation categories to delegate different permissions to different users. Your Jira admin can create different delegation categories for your organization. The delegations can be created referencing these categories. Keychain custom fields and workflow functions can be configured to return the delegate users only for that category. You can even use Keychain for Jira Service Management customer portal approvals. Normally, these approvals only allow the users in a custom field, typically approvers field, to approve the flow. You can create a Keychain custom field, configure it to display the delegates of approvers field, and check the Include Source Users checkbox. This checkbox makes the field display both the delegators and the delegates as the field value. Now you can configure the portal approval to use this new Keychain field for the list of its approvers, so both your original users and the delegate users can approve the flow.